Yeah, they thought that you was a shy girl until I made you my girl. Girl, you pushed me like a big boy till I cuffed you like you did something. You ain't gotta wait for it. You ain't gotta wait for me to give you my love. You ain't gotta wait for it. Things are getting sticky, girl, I think that I'm stuck. I'll admit I'm wrong, but I know that you gon' come for me. Yeah.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, we are on a actual plane and we are going to do a get unready with me because this is a 8-hour, 9-hour flight. We're headed to Madrid and we don't want to have a full face of makeup on while we're on the plane. So first we're going to start off with the Neutrogena makeup wipes. These are literally my favorite makeup wipes. Honestly, if Neutrogena wanted to sponsor me, like, I would be all for it. But I love these makeup wipes. I also love their nighttime makeup wipes with the lavender in them as well. These makeup wipes just literally get every piece of foundation, eyeshadow, mascara, anything off your face. I have not came across any other makeup remover that does what this does. Even the micellar water, I just love the wipes better. And they are also great for traveling and fitting in your carry-on luggage.
Ready to rid of, or still working on it there? Okay. Thank you.
So now that all the makeup is removed, we are going to move on to washing the face. Now I know what you're thinking, like, girl, why didn't you just go to the bathroom? I didn't want to hog the bathroom on the plane. Y'all know how plane bathrooms be. So I'm just using the Dove Sensitive Beauty Bar and my little facial exfoliating pad. Obviously getting some water because you can't exfoliate or lather soap without water. But like I said, this was hard because I didn't want to spill water everywhere. And I was trying not to make a mess because as you can see, the flight attendant was already like staring at me like, girl, what is you doing? So we just had to make the best with what we had. So the next thing that we're using is this boosting eye gel. I can't go on a trip without my eye gel to cancel out any puffiness or dark circles. Like I said, we're on the plane, so we need to look as fresh as possible, and it fits in your carry-on. So next are the facial serums. I have 3 different facial serums: hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and the cannabis sativa seed oil. I didn't want to chance bringing the actual bottles through security because if these were to have gotten thrown away, I probably would have went to jail that day. So we just put these in a little container to make sure they fit the recommended amount to get through security. And lastly, the moisturizer. We're using this firming face balm. I absolutely love this face balm because it moisturizes my face. And you know, when you're on the plane, your skin gets really dry. This did not dry out at all. It made it all the way through an 8-hour flight, and my skin was still glowing and moisturized. Alright everyone, so if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. If you are new to my channel, join the B.O.M B Squad because we are the realest squad on the internet. Also, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment box below. But I look forward to seeing y'all in Madrid and in my next tutorial. Bye guys!